What is up, everybody on YouTube? It's Roberto here with another video, and today's video is going to be my third Nike employee store haul since I've moved out here. Very exciting stuff, and I just want to give a quick shout out to my boy Ben. He's actually a subscriber. I had actually commented on someone else's video. He replied with basically saying he would hook me up with the pass, and he did come through. It was very clutch, and I'm very grateful for that. That is super cool to me, super dope. So Ben, thank you very much. If you guys want to give him a follow, here is his Instagram. Definitely give him a follow, and yeah, I really do appreciate it, man. I really do. But let's get into what I picked up. But real quick, since we're already on the topic of Instagram and whatnot, definitely follow my Instagram at YoManAlberto to see what I'm posting. I do post daily, guys, sometimes twice a day. I have sneakers, streetwear outfits, all that good stuff. I think you guys will like it a lot. So definitely peep that content as well. But now let's get into the actual employee store haul. First, we're gonna actually go over the clothing. We're not gonna do the shoes first because I only bought 2 pieces of clothing. This right here was about $50 or $55. These Nike sweats, I've been wearing them. These right here are in a burgundy colorway with white embroidery right there. So these did retail for $55, and then with the discount, I did pick them up for 33 bucks. Pretty simple, pretty plain. Nothing too crazy about them. They are cuffed at the bottom. These are just normal fleece sweatpants. They're not tech fleece. So that's a little bit of a bummer, but still a great deal overall. These are a size small. This was actually the only size they had left, but it actually fits, so that's great. Now the next item I got, one of my favorites, and I only say it's one of my favorites because back in high school I used to wear Nike staples a lot, such as crew necks like this and hoodies, so it's nice to actually get another one in my current size. I used to wear mediums, now I'm a large, so did a little bit of growing, you know what I'm saying? But basically right here on the left chest you have another white embroidery right there of the Nike logo. Plain black crew neck, nothing on the front, nothing on the back besides, you know, what I said. The crew neck retailed for $50, and then with 40% off, it came out to $27. That was a pretty good deal. Boom, just like that. The 2 pieces of clothing are done. Now let's get into the 5 sneakers. So right here are some Nike SBs. If you guys think these are gonna be some dunks and you guys clearly don't know, SB just means skateboarding. It has nothing to do with dunks. These are actually Blazers, Blazer boys, let's go. I love Blazers. These are, what are these called? So these right here are called the Nike SB Zoom Blazer Mids. These do have extra white laces that come with them. So that's pretty nice actually. I might use these white laces actually in a custom sneaker I'm gonna make. So that's very handy if they come with them. But you can see that, guys, it's literally an all white shoe. Nothing else to it, all white. I did go my true size and get a size 9.5. These fit pretty well. These did retail for $85. With the discount, let's see what they come out to. With the discount, these came out to $51. So that's pretty good. Pretty good steal. I mean, geez, all white, and they're gonna be comfy because they have the zoom, and they're SB, so they're padded a little bit more. Like, these are gonna be some comfy little shoes. I'm gonna have to rock these on a daily, and they're leather too, so they're gonna be a little bit easier to clean. It's softer leather, that's for sure. It's not the same kind of leather you'll get on a Jordan, but it's nice. Or on an Air Force, you know, it's a little bit stronger, smoother leather. This is more plush. It's more of a plush leather. But it's nice. I like it. I can't wait to rock these. And then one thing I want to tell you guys, when you go there and you try to buy Jordans, you cannot buy multiple sizes or pairs of the same specific Jordan. But this is technically a Jordan 1 box in the women colorway. Women's sizing, this is a size 10.5 women's, which translates into a size 9. My bad. I don't know why I drew a blank right there. It translates into a size 9. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that 10.5 women's translates into a 9 men. I did try to buy 2 pairs so I could rock one and then destroy one, but they wouldn't let me cop 2, so I'm just going to destroy one. And by destroy, I mean, I'm talking about taking the soles off, you know? I'm literally gonna rip the soles off of these shoes and use them for my next custom. The reason why I bought this specifically was because this was the beetroot colorway. And this is more like, you know, like a burgundy wine, like a dark wine colorway. And you're not gonna get this sole on an everyday basis. It's almost kind of rare of a colorway to get this bottom sole color. The cool thing about this shoe, it comes with these little lace locks right here, or lace guards. I'll probably be using a few of these on my own personal shoes, and then some of them that say women, I'll probably give them to like a homegirl or something, or my sister, but we'll see. Overall though, for 60 bucks, I'm happy to have these soles because I cannot wait to make the new custom. Let me know if you guys think I should not destroy these, but honestly, I think I'm gonna destroy them. Literally, if these were highs, they'd be perfect. And really quickly, guys, throughout this video, if you are liking it, please give it a thumbs up. It does help this go to the algorithm and reach to more audiences. That is very much helpful and very much appreciated. Thank you. Next on the chop block, we have a regular Nike box right here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have some Air Max 90s right here, the Essentials. which basically means you have leather and mesh right there on the top. Boom. Nike Air on the back. The funny thing is I haven't had a pair of all white Air Max 90 since high school, since I believe my senior year. So it's been like 5-6 years, and that's actually one of my first reviews on the channel is the Air Max 90. So that's pretty funny. The one I originally had was all leather, which I prefer that, but what they had at the store, the employee store, was mesh and leather. Now let's see the price point on this one. Oh, and they only had a size 9, so I had to go for a size 9 versus a 9.5. Retail on this is $120, which means the discount was about $72. Very good deal for some all white shoes. You guys know me. Obviously, I already bought another pair of all white shoes. I have these. And if you guys have seen me back in the day, just all white shoes is really my thing. I have a lot of white shoes. I'm always happy to get more, honestly. Now, these are literally perfect for the spring and the summer, guys. So don't sleep on Air Max 90s, especially this colorway, the all white. They're going to be popping, okay? If you guys get Air Force Ones, you're going to be basic like everybody else. That's why I got the 90s back in high school, because I was like, I'm not going to be like everybody else. I'm going to be a little bit different. We're still going to be rocking Nikes and white Nikes, you know, but they're just not going to be Air Force Ones because everybody has them. It's just played out, you know? I think y'all know what this is. Air Force One. But a little bit different. This is the black and white colorway. And since you guys know I was just bitching about Air Force Ones, let me explain it to you. Air Force Ones are super dope. I actually have a whole collection of Air Force Ones specifically. But if they're all white, guys, and that's all you have, that's boring. You need to be fun. You need to have something different. So I did go for the black and the white colorway. I actually don't have too many just plain black shoes. So I figured let me just get this one. Now, they only had a size 10 left. So an Air Force has already run a little bit bigger, but I've previously had a size 10 before with sneaker shields, and they work, they fit. And since I don't wear my shoes like literally all the time, it's a slow rotation, it's okay for me. So $90 with a discount, it comes out to 54 bucks. 54 bucks for a pair of Forces, guys. The employee store was clutch, I can't even lie. This is definitely going in the collection for sure. For the Lolo. I honestly have too many pairs of shoes, I think, but who's counting? Okay guys, so that brings us to our last final shoe. This one is gonna be crazy heat, trust. And this shoe right here is actually made out of recycled material. You won't even believe it. I'm just kidding, guys, it's not really heat, but you can see right there, it has that zero box right there. This is the new economically friendly recycled material box right here. It says move to zero. So let's open it up. Okay, so here we are. We have a pair of blazers right there. You guys can see right here, this is all out of recycled material right here, like a wool. Nothing on the back. I actually really like this detailing. Literally, there's no Nike on the back of this blazer, so that's pretty cool. Right here on this tag, it basically talks about the, you know, move to zero stuff, you know, recycling. And then right here, you have a white swoosh on the inside. And if you look closely right there, you do have like a laser orange kind of stitching right there. That's the only part I don't like about the shoe, but honestly, the outside of it is super nice. Now, the midsole is actually almost like a gray, like a very light gray, and then you do have like a little suede gray right here in the very front toe box. Comes with white laces, and then your tongue is also made out of recycled material, so this is super nice. Super cool concept. I love the shoe. I don't love the inside stitching of it. I think it's gonna look great on feet. You guys probably can't tell, but it definitely is like a gray, almost matching this up top. And these blazers retailed for $110. I did pick them up for $66 after the 40% off discount. But yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for my employee store haul part 3. I hope you guys have liked it so far. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps other people see this video. It helps the algorithm just grow and boost my channel. So that's very much appreciated, guys. I really do appreciate that. Thank you, Ben, very much one more time. I really do appreciate your help in helping me secure all this stuff for the Lolo. That's super cool to me, super dope. So one more time, guys, give him a follow for that. Much appreciated. And one more time, give me a follow at YoManoBurdo to see some more streetwear, sneakers, and outfits on the daily. Remember, I post daily on Instagram, guys, and I post here Monday and Thursdays. So if you're new here, definitely subscribe. I'd love to see you guys here on the next video, and comment down below if you guys liked any of these pickups or if you don't like them. But also, guys, let me know if I should chop up these shoes and use them in my next custom or just rock them. I'm curious to hear your guys' thoughts, but that's gonna do it for me, guys. So stay fresh and stay fly. I'm out.